Using Carfreshfresh is very easy. First of all, before use, remove all dirt from your car. Now, remove the contents from the jar. Cut the foil of both tablet A and tablet B. Place a single tablet A and a single tablet B in the recess. Use the glove while doing so. Place the jar on a flat surface in the car, for example the armrest or the center console. Then, add one measuring cup with 90 ml of lukewarm water. Close all the car doors and windows and let the chemical effect do its work. Wait for at least 5 hours. Use Carfreshfresh in the evening, for example, when you don't need your car. Be sure to not enter your car during these 5 hours. When it's finished, remove the jar, put the lid back on and dispose of it according to local regulations. Before use, make sure the car is aired out by opening the windows for a while. To finish it off, hang the air freshener in your car. The result, your car will smell fresh again.